How to log into OurTime account online. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into OurTime account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device. Then simply go ahead and type in OurTime.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will be taken to the official website of OurTime, where you have to first locate the sign in option in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. After you do that, you will be directed to the login portal, where you have to first enter your email in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. Also, do check this box of Keep Me Signed In if you would like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future logins. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your email or your password, you can simply go ahead and click on this link of forgot email and forgot password. And if you want more help, simply go ahead and click on this help button over here for the assistance. After you have entered the correct form of your credentials, simply go ahead and click on the sign in option in order to successfully sign into your OurTime account. But if you do not have an account yet and you're not a member of OurTime, simply go ahead and click on the join option over here. And with the correct information, follow the on-screen instructions, you will be able to successfully join the OurTime. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.